Hello everybody, I am Kiran and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be my product empties video. As you can see, I've emptied a lot of products. These are products that I've been using for a good amount of time. Like nahi bhi to, I've accumulated these over the past 3 to 4 months. It would be sort of a mini review. And I would also tell you guys whether I would like to repurchase them or not. Whatever the scenario is, the truth would be told. So this box actually contains skincare, hair care, makeup, all of it जो भी use हुआ है. And in no particular order, let's just get into the video. There are two body lotions or body moisturizers that I've emptied. One is this Nivea body lotion aloe hydration 48 hours moisturization, and another is this Vaseline intensive care cocoa glow with pure cocoa butter and all of that. So this is actually something that I've been using during summertime because ये बहुत lightweight है, बहुत non-sticky formula है, very amazing for summer days actually. इसमें है नहीं, I'm trying hard कुछ हो तो निकाल के दिखा सके. It's this light and smells amazing. And this is, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. I already have another bottle for this because winters are here and I belong to extra dry skin family. So this helps me a lot. I really like it. Smells super amazing. Like seems like कोई chocolate fantasy world में हो आप. But hydration भी वैसा ही है, moisturization भी वैसा ही है. I really like it. And दोनों का best part, they belong to the affordable family. So I've repurchased this. I would repurchase this again when it's summertime. Coming next to hair care item is this shampoo. This is the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Repair Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. इसमें थोड़ा सा भी कुछ नहीं है. It's totally empty. Both me and my mother have been using it and smells amazing, and we both are having a huge amount of hair fall, and this is one shampoo that I've seen is working very well. Like the hair fall ka amount has reduced and it cleans the scalp very nicely, lathers up very nicely, so I like it. It's suiting me, so I like it, and I've already bought a combination of shampoo and conditioner from Nykaa for myself. So I'm repurchasing it and I totally like it. Products in line are basically face cleansers or face washes, whatever you want to say. My personal favorite, जो I've been using for the past 3-4 years, is this Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. I keep this very handy. It is very gentle. It does not dry out your skin. It cleanses your face very nicely, and in general neem is very good for your skin. So ये तो मेरा personal favorite है and I recommend this, and I have already repurchased it. This wash, which was raved a lot, I don't have any personal grievances against the brand, but it did not work out for me, is this Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. Oh my god, it's so difficult to lather up. I feel कि मेरा skin साफ ही नहीं हुआ है because I like the feeling when the face cleanser or face wash अच्छे से lather हो and foams up on your face, and then I believe कि it thoroughly cleanses your face. It is difficult to work with, and every time I've used this face wash, भाई मेरे को breakouts हुए हैं. I've had jits and bumps on my face, so I did not like it because it did not work out for me. So nowhere repurchasing it or nowhere recommending it. It's clean and clear foaming face wash. I think this needs no introduction. Every girl has one bottle of it because firstly its packaging is better than the other face washes. Why? Because मेरे को squeeze bottle से ज़्यादा ये bottle ज़्यादा convenient लगती है. I believe it's more travel friendly. Hence, whenever I'm traveling, I use this. No drying out वाला system, not very harsh, oil free, won't clog pores. From Johnson & Johnson, I like it and I'll repurchase it obviously. हमारे स्किन केयर सिस्टम में what comes next after your face wash is actually toners, face toners. Personal favorite toner is this Biotique toner. Oh my god, this is my 4th bottle. So what happened was, I was in Mumbai, I was working there, and all of a sudden huge ass pores started appearing on my T-zone. Like this full portion bhar gaya tha. And I had seen Malvika Sitlani recommending this toner, so I gave it a shot. It claims to be pore tightening toner, and I totally believe it because I've seen the results. I've seen its impact and effect. In general, this is a really good product. It does what it claims, so I recommend this and I would repurchase this. I like it. Next is moisturizers, face moisturizers. So the first one I have is the Juicy Chemistry 100% organic saffron and red raspberry illuminating and moisturizing day facial oil. Oh my god, such a big name. It's actually an oil based moisturizer. So what I do is I just take 2 drops on my palms, rub it, and then press it. Once done with the pressing thingy, I just take it in an upward direction में, so that वो जल्दी absorb हो जाए. That is how I like to use it. But it can be used both during the daytime as well as your night serum. I use it in the day. Sometimes I use it even in the night. Recommend this and repurchasing it. I got this Laneige water sleeping mask because जैसे बोला, I belong to the dry skin family. This is an amazing product. This is my 3rd tub. It's a very light based, water based moisturizer. As the name suggests, this is the last step that you would do. Absorbs really fast. It's very hydrating. It's like you're putting water on your skin. It's very refreshing also. No. When you wake up in the morning, you'll actually see the impact. You actually have a very soft and supple skin. Finally, I have itna bacha hua in this box. Jaldi khatam karta hai. The first mascara that I got for myself was this Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. I like this mascara. The wand is good. थोड़ा बहुत अभी भी बचा हुआ है. The wand is good. It's very lengthening and separating on the lashes, but in comparison to the Total Temptation mascara, it's not that volumizing. So for volume, I like this. But repurchase करने के time में, I am repurchasing this again, not this. I have always been a blush girl. Currently, I use the Sugar Cosmetics का blush. It's a nice mauvey shade, and because I'm on the darker side, I like a little mauvey and corally blushes rather than very pinky blushes. So before getting myself the sugar one, I got this Maybelline Bee Face Blush Contour Kit. I like this. As you can see, I've used it, but I'm not repurchasing it again. Next in line is this Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. One side you have the retractable wala pencil and the other side is the spoolie, and ये पूरा खत्म है. Both me and my mother use this to fill in our brows. I really like the pigment of it. It's waxy enough to hold the eyebrows, and yeah, there's nothing bad. I really like it, and it's affordable actually. So totally repurchasing it. Just 3 more things lying in this box, and they are these lipsticks. This is the Lakme 925 Fadeless Matte Mousse Deep and Cheek Color in the shade Cocoa Soft. I really like this. It's very creamy, buttery, a very not very matte kind of lipstick. I like the formula of it, the color of it. It's very nice. I really like it, and I'll surely repurchase it. A range of NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I think every girl knows about this. These lipsticks, this particular range of NYX lipsticks, NYX or NYX, whatever you want to call it. ये इसका कैप टूट गया है. I've so badly used it and कुछ नहीं बचा हुआ है. This is actually an orange based red. I really like the formula of it. One of the best lipstick ranges available in the market. Affordable bhi hai. I might not buy the same color again, but I obviously own lipsticks from this range. And last but not the least is this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Kitten Heels. This is a very good range from NYX lipsticks. I really like it. I own a lot of colors in this range. And I'll surely get this red for myself because I like this red. It suits my skin tone. I just like it, yeah. With this, I come to the end of this product empty video. This is the whole lot जो भी था मेरे पास. And whatever opinion I've shared is my honest opinion, my personal experience using these products. I hope you liked this video and this would have been of some help or some use to you. Maybe you can make some decisions for yourself कि क्या product लेना है क्या नहीं. And please show some love, support to my channel. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, I'm signing off. Bye!